Hello my dear friends, Santosh here. How are you all? I hope you all are good and healthy. Friends, today we discuss second urbanization of economy. Second urbanization of economy. Okay, here are some points that we discuss. Okay, agriculture, land area, its crop pattern, its irrigation instruments, royal support and size development. Okay, industry, social division, specific demand. Third point, important industries and religions. Okay, in trade, foreign and domestic transport there and monetary system were there that time, and measurement, trade centers were there, urban and ports were there. The terminology given by Gordon Childe, his book name is Urban Revolution. In this period, 6 major cities developed. First one Champa, second one Rajgira, third one Sravasti, fourth one Kausambi, fifth one Sakhet, sixth one Varanasi. All these are in UP, Bihar area. Okay, now we discuss all this in simple words. Okay, in 6th century BC is called the period of second urbanization. The word first used by Gordon Childe, his book name used for urban revolution. He called this period as a second urbanization, which was developed Gangetic Valley. It's totally different from first urban for Harappa, in which Ganga Ghati region played an important role. It was the heavy rainfall in area, fertile land rich from iron resources, etc. Gordon Childe decrees some specific revolution for second urbanization. For example, increasing size of population, situation of surplus production area, development of non-agriculture society, development of trade and commerce, monetary system, systematically administration system, proper revenue system, development of science and technology. This all elements seen in the 6th century BC in Gangetic Valley. So that it's called second urbanization, because in this period developed the 6 major cities. First one Champa, Rajgira, Sravasti, Sakhet, Kausambi and Varanasi. Okay, in this period developed many types of guilds of traders. Guilds system, it is a group of same occupation of same work. First point, it is a group of same time traders is called Shrenis. Second point, head of guilds called Srastin. Srastin means the best, the elder, the most important. Srastin established its position by heredity or through election by a Shrenis assembly. Okay, head of the all guilds called Satvaha. Satvaha means proper rules of conduct of trade were laid by the head of trade guilds known as Satvaha or Shreni Pramukh. The rulers were called Samay and Shrindhan Dharam. Takshila, Pushkalvati, Kapisha and Vidisha prospered as a trade centers under the Indo-Greek rulers. Functions of guilds. First one, guilds have a right of executive and judiciary. Second point, it's banking, measurement. Next, fix the price, fixation of labor charges. Next, regulate the social life of members of guilds. In this period, developed the monetary system and promoted the trade and commerce. In this period, first time circulate silver punch mark coins of silver. Development of trade promoted urbanization. Okay friends, now we discuss all this in simple words. In later Vedic period, Aryan expanded from Gangetic Valley to Punjab and gradually they spreaded in Bengal to Vindhya region. Also this reason was favor of the requirement because geographical condition was very suitable, and secondly in this reason starting the use of iron. Although of the starting period use of iron to make weapons only, but approx 6th century BC iron was used for the development of agriculture influence due to some new changes. First one, agriculture land our expansion, deep plowing. In this period also developed some new changes, bad out the paddy. In this period, increase the population also, and this all factor responsible for surplus production. It promoted finally social division and utilization activities. Due to this development, the base of trade and commerce in this period increased the trade activities, and due to this development, the guild system, they promoted organization trade. They also developed the monetary system, punchmark coins, and finally this guild promoted a urban sector. In Jatak book given the information for many guilds, like in Burberry Jatak given the reference of crow and peacock. In this period developed some trade routes, Dakshinapat and Uttarapat, etc., etc. Other factors, Samudra Yatra. Samudra Yatra they called Pap. By calling Pap, they have economic losses. They feel that if they do Samudra Yatra, it became a sorry friends, means they get Pap. You mean that Pap Punya. Okay. Second point, loan dena or lena is Pap. In that period, they think that loan lena ya dena is Pap. Okay. Third point, competition of Brahman and Kshatriya. It is only political and social causes. Okay friends, thank you very much for seeing my videos. Okay, bye bye. See you again in my next video. Okay, bye bye.